Yaris. The lever's just a little bit hidden, it's just there, and the bonnet sign is a little worn away. Just pull that. Come to the badge, up above it. My fingers now, middle fingers are now underneath the lever, which is attached to the engine, and I'm just got to lift it to the centre and lift the bonnet at the same time. There's what your fingers were looking for. It's this lever here. My fingers were like that. So there's the strut. That's it, if you can help. That's cool. Put that in there. That's easy with. So anyway, check your oil, check your levels. Make sure you put all the cups back. Don't leave any tools lying around. Yeah. Put the clip back in. And then the official way is to drop it from about a foot or 30 centimetres. And then you have to double check that it's properly closed.